So we're back down at Gulf Star Marina. It's been a little while since we did a walkthrough out here. Things have been progressing pretty quickly. We've got our west side slab in place and we've begun standing tilt wall panels. Right now we're in between settings, so we're reorganizing some of our materials. We've got our plumbers on site here working in the other section of slab, hopefully to be poured at the end of this week coming. Right now we've got Dakota and Ron. They're over here taking care of our bracing, getting it out of the way for our panel set in the morning. Got Tiger Crane on site with us today, as every day. And we just got done stripping the panel that we poured yesterday morning. This will be set tomorrow. Solid from the superintendent, working hard on getting the next one ready. We're just finished forming it up. We got the rod busters coming in the morning. As soon as we get done with the braces, we're going to fly over some steel to get them set up for first thing. We just picked up panel 27, which is in this corner. Set that one yesterday and ready to go on to the next. We've been doing the precast as we move along, creating a box to be self-supporting. That's caught up right now. That's the last brace they're going to be moving right now. And then we'll be ready for a set tomorrow. Trying to do a diligent job with the handrails, keeping everybody safe on this job site. We are pouring the topping on the third floor. That's to create our structural box up there and allow us to remove the braces as we come through. So obviously we struggle with limited space on this job. We've been able to keep the restaurant, Doc Ford's next door there, pretty happy with their parking spaces. So he's doing the best that we can. Right now we're going to be demobilizing a few braces. This is our steel stockpile for these next upcoming panels. And right now we have got the west wall set 100%. A little bit tricky getting in around the Doc Ford sign, but we were able to save that. This week we'll begin with some punch out work, doing the final smoothing and patching. That'll allow us to go forward with caulking the joints on the exterior and priming. And again, as we're continuing through, we're trying to maintain handrail and adequate safety all along for the guys that will be working on the roof deck. So that's really about it for now. We're trying to do another walkthrough a little bit more often and keep you advised as to how everything goes.